So we put at the place of waiting place. Just look at your neighbor, tell them about the neighbor. Waiting place, waiting place. So sometimes God will put you at the place. There's actually the punch and neighbor waiting place. Just look at your neighbor and tell them about neighbor, waiting place. Akakumbuka ni mweleza punch and neighbor. So the Bible says, let's abu ile ala kumkala kumpela umwana. Alenga abe yungi mwane musika. Damwele ayu bwama ye zaingi. Once ala fasta lesipamupela. Kale au pokulu mwana. Adakwata kwa mwana ni mwimbe. But there's a down that we don't know. Some of you put the man of God. Kalango kula funda. Kalango kula beba. Kalango kusungendini. Kalango kula belenga Bible. Man of God and that is wrong. But the Bible conja. Everyone is akabika panchen de akulela. Am I talking to somebody here? Na kwa mention de kalifia. Mention de akulela. Am I talking to someone here? Sometimes you kapeto wafunga. But there's a just ways. What time will come? Am I talking to somebody here? There was a time Jesus, I remember disciples, and the Bible says, I'm not perform a miracle waiting. Upon that my time is not yet come. I feel like preaching out to somebody here. The reason why God is allowing you to pass your problems, it is not your time. Am I talking to somebody here? There is no day in Africa. That's why Benin was looking for a child.